Hi, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Fruit for Thought box. This is sent to me free for review, so let's get into it and check it out. Although it is sent to me free for review, you will always get my honest review. I got this box for the first time month before last, and it was so adorable. That was pear caramel, I think. This one, look how cute it is with all the fruit and everything all over it. And this can be fruit or veg, and she mixes it with other things. She's got some really cool ones coming up. But for this month, well, January, I should have had this up a couple days ago. This is Tutti Frutti. How stinking cute is this? It is packed full of things that relate in some way to being tutti and fruity. You have to order by the 4th of the month to get that month's box. So I will try and get this up before the 4th, but that won't be for this box, January. It will be for February, which is black cherry chocolate chip. I know, how good does that sound? Okay, January's theme for the month, staying on point. January's theme is Tutti Frutti, and that is what that looks like. New Year. I always love doing a mixed fruit theme at the beginning of the year because the sky is the limit in what we can include. This year, you are going to find new and exciting gifts and themes to keep you looking forward to our boxes each month. And I do know with the next couple out, so I'll tell you at the end what those are. And then it tells us just a little bit about each of the products in here. Diving right in, I see we have 4 Tutti Frutti rainbow gel pens. I don't know, look at the colors of these. I don't know about you guys, but we've talked about it. We've talked about it so much. I love things that are stationary. Let's write on this with a couple of them. They're neon. This is so cute. In each one, there's multiple colors. I hope that, you know what, it might be easier to see with this one because they're darker. See how it's, so I think that means that the ink when you do it, because I just did this light orange one and it was on the purple ink. So 2 of mine start with kind of a pinkish color and 2 start with kind of a purplish color. But that's what, can you guys see? Yeah, that's what I just drew with this. Isn't that so fun? Little gelling pens, I love that. 4 rainbow gel pens from Raymond Geddes. Each features 5 ink colors in the rainbow. Gel ink resists fading and they are acid-free with a built-in silicone grip, which is just right there. I like that, but you guys know I'm all about the stationery. Next out, I have this. I'm not sure what it is yet. Let's check it out. It looks very fun and festive. It says gifts and accessories, Amalfi bag charm. So you could put this on a tote bag or on your purse if you wanted, or on luggage. That is so cute. I'm sure one of my girls would absolutely love this. On their backpack, oh my gosh, they would. That is so stinking cute. What does it say? Add some flair to your tote, bag, or purse with this brightly colored pom-pom charm from B-Waltz. Next out, a postcard. I don't know that I'll use it for a postcard. This would be really cute. I'm just sitting here like, do you guys want to see it? This would be really cute framed. It seems like it's plastic or hard or something. Let's see what the paperwork says it is. The postcard has an assortment of bright fruits that are perfect to send out a quick note. Definitely check out her other designs. And it's from Lou Paper, L-O-U paper. I want to feel it because it feels really firm, almost plasticky, but how would you write? Oh, there's 2 in here. Oh, so that's why it felt so firm. It's 2. So they're the same and they're very, you know, you could absolutely frame them if you wanted. And it's just, that's what the back looks like. So you can actually use them as postcards. Okay, next out. Tongs. We have a silicone tong, 13-inch dishwasher safe, stain resistant. That is festive and pretty. Let's get into it. This really, I know it's the January box, but I feel like it's dragging you out of the doldrums. You know, it's all so bright and colorful. This is firm. I mean, I feel like you could lift really heavy stuff with that. That is so cool. It's called a jelly bean stripe, and it says that it's good to 410 degrees. It is food safe and phthalate free. Stain resistant, scratch free. From French Bowl. I'm not sure what I would lift with it. I don't think you would do necessarily all your basic foods with it. Think of something clever and let me know below what you think this would be good for. I wonder what the paper says we should use it for. Great for buns and bagels. Easy to plate vegetables or separated to toss salads. These French Bowl NYC colorful jelly bean striped tongs match our Tutti Frutti theme. They are 100% melamine, food safe, and BPA free. Does it come off though? Because so you could take the 2 of them and toss a salad or just use one to I like that. I would probably use it more, and it just slides right back in and then feels very secure. Okay, that was a good idea. Next out, I have 4 Tutti Frutti Gilliam, I'm gonna guess hard candies of some sort. That is what they look like. They're just sticks of candy. We used to get these when I was a kid at, well, it wasn't the Cracker Barrel back then. I think it might have been Stuckey's. Yeah, that's how old I am. But they used to do the jars full of the different kinds. I always loved root beer. Tutti Frutti sounds good too. Tutti Frutti takes me back because there was a little jar of baby food when my daughter was a baby, because that's what makes sense. That was called Tutti Frutti, and it was her favorite. I don't see these on the card, so they just must have been a bonus. Next out, because there's more. Next out, we have the California Fruit Mix. I don't know what that is, but yay, I bet it's good. Gummy bears. It's gummy bears. Do you like gummy bears? I like gummy bears. That's the front. I'll just keep turning it until we find the front. Enjoy an incredible California fruit mix of 6 delicious real fresh fruit California gummy bear mix in raspberry, strawberry, pink grapefruit, tangerine, mango, peach, as well as 4 delicious Tutti Frutti flavored candy sticks. Okay, so this must be, is it from the same people? So they're just telling us our food. We got this and the candy sticks. Let's go ahead and open this up. You guys know, if you watch the channel pretty regularly, I am allergic to grapefruit, so I can't eat these. But I know little people who will love them. Oh, they look so good. I want to eat them. They're just little gummy bears, but it says they're real fruit. It says they are 100% natural, GMO-free, gluten-free, soy-free, kosher, fat-free, corn syrup-free, and real fruit. That is a good snack, so my girls will love that. And last but not least, I'm betting shower steamer or bath bomb. Tutti Frutti shower steamer. Well, that could be lovely if it smells like Tutti Frutti. Paraben-free, artificial dye-free, synthetic fragrance-free. Unwrap and place in shower near drain. For best results, place just outside of the direct water spray. Well, my drain is in the direct water spray, so I always put mine, because mine's an actual tub shape. I put them at the far end so that they're getting enough that they fizz and waft scent, but not so much that they go away so quickly. So I don't necessarily co-sign on putting them right next to the drain, because that's where all the water is. It's gonna go away so quick. Enjoy the fruity scents of lemon, orange, and lime with an all-about velour Tutti Frutti scented shower steamer made with pure essential oil. Let's see if I open it, if I can smell it, because I will definitely be using this. Oh my goodness, the second I even got it open, nowhere near my face. It smells so lemony and fresh, and it is wrapped. Oh my gosh, it is wrapped even in here. It's in plastic, and it smells so good. So fresh and lemony, and oh, that would be so nice. Oh, exhilarating in the morning. I was gonna say this might be my favorite, but I'm gonna love those pens. So we received in this month's Fruit for Thoughts the California Gummy Bears, the Tutti Frutti, but it smells very lemony, shower steamer. Love shower steamers. The French Bull rainbow silicone tongs that you can take the parts apart and use it to toss salad in the summer. Like, they're melamine, so in the summer outside, those will be fantastic. 4 Tutti Frutti candy sticks. 2 very pretty postcards. These, I'm telling you, they would be so pretty framed, but it might be that kind of, they seem like they have like a vintage 70s look to me, just the way the colors are and so that might just be giving me a warm fuzzy of why they should be home decor. This cute little charm that you could put on one of your bags, or people still hang things from car rearview mirrors. I don't know. And the 4 different colored gel pens, but within the gel pens, they have 5 colors. That is super fun. Basically, I'm gonna have to take what I want and run, because the girls are gonna want in on this. That is what it looks like. Oh, I think you can see all the pretty goodies in there. I will put the link below, and with my code Catherine10, you will get 10% off your first box order, whether it's for 1 box or as far out as you take a subscription. You will get 10% off with Catherine10. Again, I will put the link below, and for the upcoming months. If you order before February 4th, you can get in on the black cherry chocolate chip. That is going to be February's box. That sounds fantastic. For March, it's going to be avocado toast. I love avocado toast. It's my favorite breakfast. And then April, and I am really intrigued by this one, is bacon and lettuce. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Thank you so much to Fruit for Thought for sending us the box. If you guys have any questions, I will be happy to help if it's something that I know. If not, I will find out the answer for you. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great day, guys. Bye.